Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So today my topic will be the design of foundation using STAAD Foundation. Actually, in my previous video, I was doing the designing of the full building, that is analysis as well as designing of both. So now I will be continuing with the design of foundation. So let me first of all open STAAD Pro and let me, after opening STAAD Pro, let me open my previous structure, that is this is the structure which I was doing both the analysis as well as design. As you can see, the analysis part, the design part is also over. Now the next part I will be doing is design of foundation. So simply after completing the analysis and design part, simply I have to click on foundation design. I hope it's you can, all of you can see here, foundation design. Simply I have to click here. After clicking on this foundation design, you have to select what are the type of load cases you will be selecting, such as seismic load x-axis, z-axis, wind load x-axis, z-axis, dead load. Let me first of all include the design for seismic load. Let me include for everything except the load combination. So include. Okay, done. I have included this loads. After including this load, I will not do the designing for the combined loading. Now I have to simply type on run STAAD Foundation. So now the next version will be like my STAAD Foundation V8 I will open. Okay, I hope it's clear to all of you. After the STAAD Foundation has opened, now what is the next thing you have to do? Now in the next thing you have to do is project info. See here, you can write down the project ID, project title, what is the site location, organization, contact person, phone, fax, email address, everything. You can mention the datas. Then scale setup, here you can even set up the scale for the displacement and everything, but this point is not necessary for the designing purpose. This is the primary things which you have to mention about the company which you are dealing with. So after that, next go to the foundation plan. In the foundation plan, the linear grid system, radial grid system, column positions, what are the column positions, at what distance the columns are located, then column dimensions. I hope it's, you can see here the columns are of, all the columns are rectangular columns and their dimensions are, see, consider pedestal everywhere, no pedestal is considered, and the column width is 0.4 meter. Okay, so you can see here that there is no pedestal provided at any of the supports, and width is 0.4. After that, let me go after the foundation plan, let me go to the load and factors. In the load and factors, now next one is create new load case. Add a column load reactions. You don't have to do anything in all of this load and factors. Simply you have to just go to the generate load combinations. Here you have to go to the simply generate load combinations, and here you have to type on load combination as Indian, and after that generate load combinations. Load combination generation completed. Now again you can even click on this part, because this one is for the service load combination and this one is the ultimate load combination. Okay, so I have clicked on both the service load as well as ultimate load combinations. So now after that, next go to the job setup. In the job setup, now go to create a new job. So here you have to write any job title such as footing design, isolated. What type of footing you are designing as? Isolated footing. Here the designing will be done for isolated footing, pile cap, mat footing and combined footing. So I'll be doing the designing for isolated footing. Now go to the Indian code, design, English, okay. After that, available load cases are, these are the various available load cases. Now I have to select all, because because I will be designing the footing for all of this type of loads. So I will be selecting all, okay. Now create job, simply click on this. After that, after this one is over, now next go to the, if something goes wrong, simply you can edit the current job or you can delete the job and you can create again. Now next go to the isolated footing job. In the design parameters, you can go to the concrete and rebar. Here you can set what is the unit weight of concrete, 25, okay. Minimum bar spacing 50, maximum bar spacing 500, strength of concrete as 25. So let me keep the strength of concrete, that is what concrete I will be keeping, strength of concrete as M30, and yield strength of steel as 500, Fe 500. Okay, done. After that, cover and soil, bottom cover is 50 mm, unit weight of soil, okay. You can change all these parameters depending upon the soil and cover. After that, footing geometry, these are the various dimensions of the footing: minimum length, minimum width, minimum thickness, maximum length, maximum width, maximum thickness, plan dimensions, okay. After that, go to the sliding and overturning. Here these are the various coefficient factor of safety for sliding and overturning. After that, simply click on design. Then do you want to analyze and design? You click on yes. So now the designing process is going on, and analysis and designing both is going on. So simply just wait, you have to wait. So just wait for some moment till the designing and analysis process will be over. Okay, okay, save it. See, now my designing is over. Designing of all the isolated footing is over as per IS 456 2000. So design for isolated footing number 1. So see, this is the footing number 1. Each plan, section and elevation, everything is given here. Each dimension is given here, and how much amount of concrete is required, what is the strength of concrete, yield strength, everything is given here, okay. So full detail will be given here. I hope you can see here all the details. So you can even take the print calculation sheet, you can take the printout. Okay, so let me take the printout. Now go, you can go or check for the isolated footing too. In this way there are total number of 85 footings, and all the 85 footings, their details are shown here. Simply you can print the calculation sheet, or you can do one thing. If it's not working here, simply you can go to the, simply you can go here and you can take the printout and save as PDF as footing design. In the desktop I'll save it. Okay, now let me go to the desktop. Here this one is the footing design. I'll simply open the file. So let me now open the footing design which I have saved it in the desktop. See, this is the footing design which I have done it just now. You can also even see here everything, the date and all these things. So every details of the footing are shown here in this PDF. So simply this is 303 pages. So simply you can take the printout of this and you can get all the details of the foundation from this printout. See, for all the total number of footings are 85, so total 85 footings designs are present here. So I hope it's clear to all of you that how to do the design of the isolated footing for any building. So in the first process you have to simply complete the analysis and the design of the building, and after that one is over, simply go to the STAAD Foundation and do the design of the foundation. So I hope it's clear to all of you. If there is any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment section, and if you have not subscribed my channel, then you can subscribe, and please press the like button if you have not done yet, and share as much as possible. And thanks for watching my video. Okay, bye bye, take care.